defined as a form of government where the people elect their representatives to rule the nation and are accountable for them.
This means that citizens are allowed or permitted to express their views on matters concerning the nation. Democracy is made of two Greek words, demo, which means people, and kratos or creating, meaning to rule.
Why is democracy our pride? Abraham Lincoln once said, democracy is a form of government of the people, by the people, and for the people.
Therefore, democracy is our pride and should be our pride as Africans and Ghanaians because our president, before and after independence, have spoken about democracy.
Beginning with Osajoko Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, who paved the way for democracy, declaring that
Yay! As long as the battle and that Ghana, the American country, is free forever. We are going to demonstrate to the world, to the other nations, that we are prepared to lay our foundation, our own African personality. As Africans and Ghanaians, let's embrace democracy as our ultimate gift. Democracy should be our pride.
Afterwards, the president under the Fourth Republic of Ghana also declared their stand on democracy being our pride, beginning with the man of discipline, His Excellency, former President, the late Jerry John Rawlings, also declared on democracy.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In Africa, democracy and security have always been bedfellows. The democratic system of government relates to the free and equal representation of the people and the management in the country. Democracy works when it is involved within a specific, social, cultural, political system, such that it has been an indigenous product. But unfortunately, Africa has not been given the opportunity to develop this. It is I, His Excellency, Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings. Aho! Aho!
in addition to the words of His Excellency Jerry John Rawlings, our own gentle giant, His Excellency the former President John A.J. Kufuor also spoke on democracy, saying,
Mr. Chairman, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all. The beacon of hope in Africa is gradually but surely beginning to whisper the vision espoused to us by our forebears that soon Africa would rediscover its own pathways for democracy and sustainable development. Thank you.
In alliance with the words of our other president, His Excellency, former President, the late John Evans Phoebe Atamil, also declared on democracy.
Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters, good morning to you all. A whisper over the years said, Ghana had been founded on democracy and freedoms but middled. For the interim, these qualities were hidden. Impounded in some internal exile, regenerating. Now, John Evans Atamils rides into the Golden Jubilee House, branding democracy and freedoms in a kind of matured triumph.
he was known as the King of Peace, said in our local dialect as Sumjie. Next to speak on democracy is the man himself, the handsome man, His Excellency, former President John Dramani Mahama.
Honorable Chairman, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I urge the current government to refrain from actions that continue to undermine democratic rights under their administration. The use of dark and rogue elements within our security agencies to disrupt elections across the country, as occurred in the 2020 general elections, leading to the loss of 8 lives, which will forever be remembered as Ghana's Day of Infamy and an indelible blemish on our democratic credentials established. It is I, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, who came to the community power, John 316, Mahama for now.
In conclusion, based on the current status in Ghana, the current president of Ghana, the state of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, also spoke on the day.
Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ghanaians, I have come to you once again. It has been said that democracy is the worst form of government, except from all the others. We in Ghana should know, for we have tried virtually all the others. Fellow Ghanaians, I acknowledge that the strength of any democracy is very much determined on the credibility of the electoral process and respect for the rule of the people. That is why we in Ghana should continue to embrace democracy as our highest strength. Long live Ghana, long live Ghana. Greetings to my lovely Rebecca. Thank you.